Here's your blueberry, Pippin. Oh, thank you, Poppin. Wait. Pippin, the nose is turning blue. Huh? What is it? What? Oh, no.
What's happening to him? Harvey is a blueberry. Harvey gets fatty. What? Jack is leaving. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Harvey is swelling up like a blueberry.
He's swelled up like a blueberry.
How we can do, Mommy?
What are we gonna do? Maybe we can bring him to the squeezing room.
Oh my, is he stopped? I love that.
Oh non! Les enfants! Je peux entrer?
Non,
Viens là faire la fête? Avec grand plaisir, j'arrive!
Oh no, it's gonna explode! Huh? What is that? The end.